2012 Honda Odyssey had to replace the cabin air filter, and it's located behind the glove box compartment. So you're just gonna open your glove box, and then first thing you want to do is there's a hook right here. This hook, that one right there. So just unhook it, pull it down. Okay, just pull it down. It's just a hook. And then next, you wanna squeeze the two sides, this here and here. Squeeze it. And then it's just gonna release this part right here. It's already released. And here, just pull it. So careful. Okay, so now you have access to the air filter. It's right here. There's a tap here, another tap here. Press. Okay. See, this one's dirty, very dirty. So just take it out, throw it away, and grab your new filter. And you're gonna see right here, it says airflow. You got the arrow. Airflow. You got the two arrows going down. So the same with the filter. So just put it. Sure it's in place. And just put it back. Here it's where it's kind of in the way, so I'll just push it in. And now I just have to put everything back. You can see those two tabs. They're in place now. And I'm holding it with one hand. And I'm gonna make sure that hook goes in its place again. Okay, you heard that clip. Then we gotta squeeze it again. That's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and it's the same for 2011 to 2017 Honda Odysseys.